Guys, you have no idea how loud it is in here with the rain. Woo! Here's a leg day in Bali. We're just gonna get this one over and done with, provide a bit of inspo. We're gonna start off with some barbell back squats. They're king of leg exercises.
Natural bodybuilding is a slog, guys, but it's worth it. Oh, come on.
Let's go.
Just warming up here. 6, 10. Nice one.
This is 130 kilograms. It's about a thunder and lightning here. My goodness. All right, let's run it up one more time. 130 kilograms. Wow, check out this rain. I don't know if you can see it. The leg press machine was occupied, so we got to go straight to leg extensions. Got to feel the burn. Leg training is the hardest type of strength training to do mentally, but it also has the biggest reward. When you train your legs, you're training your leg muscles, but you're also working the other parts of your body. So, two birds with one stone effect. Let's go. Nice. Hamstring curls. It's leaking on the bench here, but 7. This is way too light. So just gonna finish the set off and then increase the weight. Guys, you have no idea how loud it is in here with the rain. Woo! Let's go. Oh. Holy crap. This is insane. Look at this rain. This is crazy. Ten. Bit light. Okay, let's finish off with some hanging leg raises. Okay guys, that's it for today's workout. As always, all my links are below. If you want coaching, message me, DM me. You can inquire below. Hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments. What kind of content you guys want to see, what I can make next. I want to help you guys out as much as possible.